Alright guys, you are welcome back to Amazing Creative Studio. So in this video I'll be teaching you how you can create a 2D or 3D AI image standing in front of your profile. So this is a trending image that is going viral on the internet, and I want to show you how you can manipulate the AI image and replace it with your very own image. So in this particular video, if you already have your picture on your phone, you can use it, or you can snap another picture while we are creating this video. So first thing we would like to do now is to create the trending image of a social media profile of a 2D image. So let's dive into the business. So first thing you need to do, as you normally know, that the app that we use, and if you are not familiar with the app that people are using to create this kind of AI image, they are using Bing app. It is an app that is powered by Microsoft website. So you can go to your Play Store and search for the Bing app. Let me show you the icon of the app. This is the icon of this app. So you can go straight to your Play Store and download this app on your Play Store into your phone. So that, without wasting much of our time, before I go straight to the business, please, if you are not my subscriber, please, I encourage you to support me by subscribing to my channel, and you can also like one of my videos if you have watched them, like them, and you can also share them if you already have value. If you find value in those videos, you can share with your friends and family. So let me just open my Bing app right now. So as you can see, I've already added this page on a tab. Let me show you. So you can see that I've already added it to a tab, and if you are just using the app, just go to apps. So click on apps, then click on Bing image. Where is Bing image? Yes, this is it. Show you from here. So click on the image creator. Once you click on the image creator, so it will take you to the business. As you can see that these are the ideas, which is these are the ideas of some of the past AI image that people have explored. These are some of them, and you can use one of these to start testing the app. So without wasting much of our time, just click on creations. Let me show you in case you have not been seeing it. Just click on creation. So click on creation. So now from here you can see that I've already typed my prompt, and after I enter my prompt, this is actually the result of the prompt. And let me show you some of my other result of the prompt. Let me show you some others also. This was the one I asked you guys that I want to show you how you can create your very image. So let me assume that I want to delete this prompt, and then I want to start afresh with my own prompt. So I'm just saying create a 3D. You can mention 2D anyway. Create a 3D image of a young boy. I can say standing or sitting. So he was standing in front of his Facebook profile page. Or in front of his Facebook profile page. The image of this boy standing comfortably. The image of this boy standing comfortably is the same. It's the same with the profile picture. It's the same with his profile picture. You can add some other additional text to make it look more decent. You can say Odin. Odin is back with him and a friend standing standing with him, and the friend standing with him. And also you can just leave it this way. You can see his face looks fine, looks fine, looks fine, and looks fine. Let's say that is okay. His face looks fine and looks fine, and okay, I think it's okay this way. So his face looks fine. So let's click on create and see, and let's see what our result will be. Let's see what the prompts will give to us. So as you can see from here, you can see the result. You can see the result. You can see the result. You can see this is the result. Now, if you are not satisfied with the result, you can change the prompt. You can change the prompt like okay, this profile picture, okay, see his name, and this Sunday is inscribed on his profile, okay, showing likes and followers button on this page. So let's check the result. Okay, let's wait and see the result. While the prompt is generating, you can still view some of your designs, some of your past designs as well. You can see this is a 3D image. Okay, you can see from here. So let's just go back and check if the result is out or not. Okay. Now let's see. You can see okay, this Sunday. Okay, this is another one. Okay, this is another one. Okay, wow, this is awesome. I think this is awesome. Okay, so we start without wasting much of our time. You can leave it this way, or let's check another prompt and say create a realistic image. Let's say a realistic image of a young boy. Let's use a man now, of a man standing in front of his Facebook profile page. The image of this boy, of this man, I think it's a man, standing comfortably, is the same with his profile picture. His name, and this is inscribed on his profile, showing likes and followers button on his page. Let's check and see. Let's see what the result will be. Let's see what the result will be. This is okay, this Sunday. Okay, can you see now? Can you see? As you can see. As you can see. So now let's save this picture and go ahead and replace the picture with our very own picture. So go out. So guys, if you watch this video to the end, you'll be able to know the app that will be used to change the face to your own very face. So just make sure that you watch to the end, and please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I've opened the app that I will be using to change the image on the AI generated photo, that I will be replacing the AI generated photo with my own face. So what I will need to do now is to click on the upload icon. Then I will choose the design that I've just created with AI prompt. So I will open it. As you can see that I've opened it now, what I will do now is that I will now swap my face with the person. So I will swap my face now. So just tap on it. Then I will then select the second one. I will swap it to my face. So what I will do now is that I will now click on swap face. So now you can see that the face has now changed. You can see that the face has changed, as you can see now. So now let me just click on download. You can see download from here. I've downloaded it. In case if you don't see download button, this is download button. So that is the download button. So just once you have clicked on save, then go out and check your output. Yeah, this is my output. As you can see, this is my output. Let me see the first one. This is the output. This is before, and this is after now. As you can see, this is after. And if the face is not more like your face is not clear like that, so you can just go ahead and generate a new and create a new prompt that will make the face to look more bold. So okay, let me just do one here. Okay, so create a realistic image of a man sitting. The man sitting in front of his Facebook profile page. Sitting is basically sitting on Facebook logo in front of his Facebook profile page. The image of this man standing comfortably, sitting comfortably. The sitting comfortably is the same with his profile picture. And his face is bold enough. Okay, his name I can understand is described on his profile, showing that followers on this page. So let's click on create now. So let's check now. Okay. Okay. You can just choose anyone. I think this one is okay. Let me download. Then you can repeat the same process. You can also repeat the same process. Okay. So click on upload. Select the AI generated image. Then go to swap. Then click on add face to select another face if that face is not clear enough. Then come here and go to my camera and let me find image that I can use that is very bold enough. Let me look down and down. And just take the picture. That's no problem. Okay. Now only face, okay. Now click on confirm. So just click on the face is my face. So far that is your face, just click on face so that it will not change the settings. So now on this one I click here. On this one also click here as well, as you can see. So now click on OK. So I've reselect I've selected the image that it will swap with. So you can see. Okay, let me undo. See, this is the image. I'll swap it. So how do I do this? I tap on this, I tap on it, and I tap on my picture. I tap on the second image, which is the second person sitting. Then I tap on my picture again. So then I click on swap. That is how I did it. Now, as you can see, I can see that the image now looks resemble me at least a little bit. So let's just go and see our results. So you can see now. You can see the image. You can see that the image looks like me. As you can see. As you can see. So that's just that. And you can also use some of other face swap. If you get some other face swap app, you can use it to get the exactly result that you needed. So thank you guys. If you actually find this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and share. So guys, this is the app that was used for this tutorial. This is the app. So you can just go ahead and download it from the Telegram channel.